What's going on, guys? It's Craig Protect 360, and today I'm going to show you how to make these MFT clips from a 20 round to a 30 round. All right, guys, first and foremost, thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Now, these are all 223 mags. There's really nothing different. I got my black ones and my tan ones. My black ones are just basically like my 45 grains, and these are like my 65 grains. These are for, I use actually like shooting pigs and stuff. But the point is, I want to show you is how to open these up, because a lot of times you buy them and they're only set to 20, like 20 rounds. And I want to show you guys how to open these up and make them to where you can get 30 rounds like I do have here. So the first thing you're going to want to do, obviously, is take out all your rounds. All right, so these, now it's all empty. These I've already converted over, so they'll be easy for me to show you. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is on the back side of these, there is a little groove here. There's a little line all the way around, because these bottom pieces, they do slide off. So what you're going to do is take a razor knife, X-Acto knife or something, and you're going to want to go in that groove, and you're going to want to cut that thing. And you're going to put some force behind it. You're going to really cut like hard. And you're basically, there's a seal that holds this plastic piece that slides back and forth on, and you want to cut that. All right, so once you get that cut and you got this piece free, you're going to want to take a screwdriver and push these spring-loaded buttons down, because these are going to kind of hold this thing in place as well. And then you're going to take your thumb and you push it down, and then push with your thumb at the same time. Now, that always isn't going to happen on the first go around. Sometimes you're going to have to, once you get this thing cut and you start pushing on it, you're going to have to take it, hold these little buttons down with a screwdriver and tap on it, either with a hammer or whatever you got, something with a little bit of weight on it, and tap on this piece right here to break it loose. And once you get it loose, it'll slide right off. But always have your thumb here as well, because if you don't want this whole spring piece to come launching out at you. Now, like I said, this one's already been modified, but I'm going to show you what I did. You're going to pull this out. So once you get it all out and pulled loose, it's going to be this piece right here that you're going to be messing with. Now, like I said, I've already made this cut and modified this one. But what it is you got this big black piece right here, right? And it sits inside there. And what it does, it only allows you to be able to put so many rounds in. So what you're going to do, like I just took me some regular wire biters, or you can take some 10 snips or something and cut this and just break it off and snap it off. And then, but you also want to make sure that there's these little knots on both sides. You do not want to cut those off, because that's what holds this to the spring itself. All right. And once you get that cut, you're gonna go ahead and slide this dude back down in here, like so. There you go. And then, and you'll know if you have this thing on backwards, because it'll only go one way. And once you have that, you want to take it and position it in a way where you can hold the spring with one hand and take the slide, which you see it's got two grooves in it, and you'll take it, just slide it right back on. And you may have to work these little pins down. There you go. And that's it. So you go from, once you remove this little piece in here, because like I said, it kind of sits like this, and as they come down, they stop. And when you take that out, now they go all the way down like these, and it's like that. And then you take them, because like I said, this one was like that as well. I don't know if I accidentally just bought some 20 round clips or whatever. I don't know what happened, but there were some of them that actually held 30 rounds and some of them held only 20, and I didn't understand that. Like, that didn't make no sense to me. Like, why do these things only hold 20 rounds when you've got this whole body here still available to hold? I thought something was wrong with it. And so I started looking on the inside of it, and I saw the piece of plastic in there, and I was like, oh. So that's what made me decide to go ahead and remove it. All right, guys, that is how you convert these from a 20 round to a 30 round. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, comments, comment below. Don't argue, don't fight. Until next time, guys.